That was fun. So, as near as I can tell, I hit the tree of death and then disarmed when I was stuck, came down, and I must have cartwheeled right down this hill, right over this ledge and into this motherfucker of a pond. Look how fucking murky that is. Can you see down there? You know, I already lost a quad in this lake. I should probably not be tempting fate by holding my fucking phone right over it. I think the quad should be salvageable. All the electronics are conformal coded. There should be no reason why I can't clean it up and get it in the air again. That's promising. And here we go. Crash, tumble, sploosh. Hey, we got it all.
Reality is broken, and that's without a doubt. A disconnect between what you put in and you get out. Bitterly divided, we press on and on and on. I brought my plastic ball so that you all can sing along. World will only distract me from my great work. That's why I built this plastic submarine. You're sharper than anyone. Just the big bells away, and your good ideas will tuck you in at night.
So, gave the quad time to dry out. It fires up, video transmitter works, receiver works. It arms well enough for the motors to spin.
Your good ideas will tuck you in at night. Power corrupts you. Don't know about that. We heard your voodoo. To correct you.
You might have littered the landscape with dishonest promises, released under the ocean on your own reconnaissance. Anonymous, covered up in hardened up petroleum, laying lowly when the sonar pinks. The ball is rolling then to anywhere. Independent oxygen, onboard cabinet resplendent with intoxicant talk. You meant to share as echo from the hull, and the clicking of the instruments resurges every lull, every bowl, every glass, every bubble, every breath. Descent until you're out of ocean, nothing left, nothing but a guess. Your contraption's gonna need winding, staring out the window into darkness like you need reminding. Designed for finding distraction from vastness of the surface world's open air harassments. Rotate the gas vents, fish flow in. You've been working on it too long, let it begin.
High, 30,000 leagues of solitude, amplitude pumped up to 11. Find my latitude and longitude. My first love is my distraction and my inspiration. Submarine here to facilitate our domination. It doesn't matter if I'm rocking an entire fleet. If I can only average like a single lyric every week, that's super weak. And you don't deserve that. Track me like John Jones, catch an elbow when I'm on the map forever. How it feels like. Maybe I'll be alright. Watch my muse get all amused. I'm trying to get the flow right. Pull another all night like getting your degree. That's my thesis and it's just about as worthless as can be. How my heroes ever do it and why can't I do the same? It's like I'm lacking crucial elements and systems in my brain. But coordinates unlocked, telescoping to the top. And we sunk another battleship while Isaac tossed me off. What? And we dive, yeah! And we dive, yeah! And we dive, yeah! And we dive, man. Yeah! Aye, aye.
It flies. 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 So, a couple of gremlins to work out. Current sensor is dead, and I got interference like I need to throw a capacitor on there all of a sudden. Might be related, I don't know. Even more amazing, check this out. The run cam still works, except that it's all broken because I keep crashing into Good session, just some gentle flying, didn't go too crazy. Didn't get to go above the pond. When you don't fly over the pond, this park is basically split into a couple little corridors, and there is somebody sitting on the bench over there by the Kraken and the easiest gap in the world, which is a shame because I like the easiest gap in the world because it is the easiest gap in the world, and I like the Kraken because I have a vendetta with that motherfucker. Oh well. At this point I have like 30 or 40 minutes of shit to edit down into a 3-minute monologue. But at least now I have some flight footage to throw on top of it. Now I'm gonna get out of here, go home, take a shower, and stop talking to myself into my phone like a jackass. Oh wait, how do we end these?